Hello, vlog number 2. Um, this is a video of still I am on my journey for my CPA, and I just want to read what I have written on my diary. Okay. Just a side story. On my first vlog, sinabi ko doon na I graduated on our last 2018 may accountancy program, and hindi pa rin ako nakakapasa ngayon kasi hindi pa ako nakatry na kumuha ng exam. And I want to share my experience with you because I want to document it. I want also aspiring CPA graduate, CPA, aspiring CPAs, I mean, especially those na kasing age ko, na how is life going, is the journey still on, ganun. Kasi para sa akin, hindi pa din hindi talaga, and it will never be. Iba talaga parang it's something that, okay, someone will say, you just can't get over it. 7 years ago naman yan. Exam lang naman yan. At hindi kasi this is my freedom for me. Okay, so let me share with you. I hope on my next vlog I can edit it more, make it more aesthetic. I want to be raw kasi. Okay. And currently I am teaching in DepEd. I am teaching entrepreneurship. And hindi mo maiwasan kasi na yung course mo i-apply mo doon. Parang hindi mo siya parang entrepreneurship, yes, pag negosyo, pero parang sa akin yung labas ng lesson ko more siya sa accounting side kasi iba parang you still go back to your sa una, parang iba talaga. And another thing, hindi ko first love yung accounting. Actually, hindi ko lang na-realize na super hirap pala matagal ko lang na-realize na super hirap, but I never quit. Yun, kasi hindi ako yung klaseng tao na paiba-iba. Charot lang. Okay, so today, December 12, I wrote this to myself. Also a testament to myself na balang araw, when I say balang araw, parang I'll never know. Hindi ko talaga alam. To be honest lang. So if you're watching this, I want to tell you na I've never figured it out. But I'm trying. Okay? Just forgive the noise. May background noise. So, why I go for it? Okay, so this is an open letter. Parang hindi letter shop, and at the same time parang diary. Despite how damaged and wretched I am, I still believe that passing that exam, I actually cursed on this. I dropped the F-bomb word, but I will not mention on this video. Passing that exam, that's my mother. Okay, so will give me freedom. Sorry, I'm quite distracted kasi yung mother ko nasa background. Nagme-make siya. Parang nilalambing niya yung yung dog namin, I mean. So I'll read it again. Why I go for it, or why I will go for it. It's about my CPA dream. Despite how damaged and wretched I am, I still believe that passing that exam will give me freedom. That I will no longer question the life that I was given of. Super deep, no? But this is how the journey has been to me. And I continue. That I will no longer repeat the same story of defeat and pretending that it's okay. Pretending that it's okay not making it. I'll do it broken, wretched, hurt, depressed, hopeless. Call it. I'm in. 1.25 hertz. Okay, I actually got 1.25 on my last exam sa masters. And I'll put it on a separate video kasi okay, guys, I'm quite a very deep person talaga. And thank you if you're watching this video. Okay, I'll continue. Okay, 1.25 hertz, but I'll still continue. 2, 3, just give it. I don't know if I'll survive. That means I don't know if I'll pass, but I'll still continue. And thank you for this reminder. Thank you for the grace. Okay, on that my last line, thank you for the grace. I'm talking about God. Okay, so yun lang. This is all the video is about. I'll give more time about this vlogging era kasi ang dami kong pwede ikwento actually, and I hope na may ma-reach out ako and may mag-comment or will tell something about their journey. I cannot say na nag-fail ako kasi okay, I failed on the part na hindi on time siguro yung pagpasa ko kasi supposedly dapat 2018 din ako pumasa. And 2025 na ngayon, so 7 years, going 10 years na later on. And you know what, yun talaga yung masakit na part. Yun yung masakit na part sa isang taong nagtatrying hard kasi ang daming nangyari, guys. Ang daming nangyari. And I don't know if you're interested in knowing the story, but anyways, vlog, I created this channel actually to share my life and document everything as much as possible. And right now, I'm studying. Okay, hindi ko maba camera to, pero please bear with me. Taxation. Okay, so currently, so please pray for me. Please give me some feedback if you can. Okay. Kaya ko to. And kaya mo rin if we have the same story. Okay, so yun lang. Have a nice day and thank you for watching.